జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 315th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం క్రోధఘ్నే నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, when you were there in Parasurama with your spark of effulgence, at that time your father, Parasurama's father, was killed by Kartavirya's sons. Because of that, with so much of anger, you have killed not only Kartavirya's sons, but also you have went around the entire earth for 21 times and you killed 21 lineages of all Kshatriyas. You have shown your anger to that extent. At that time, Kashyapa comes to you. Kashyapa came to you and told you that just because of some people have done this sin, you should not be killing all the Kshatriyas. That is a huge sin. So in order to get rid of that sin, you start doing all Tirthayatra. Like that, Kashyapa told Parasurama and helped Parasurama to bring all his anger down. And Kashyapa with his upadesam, with his teachings, suppressed that means Parasurama's anger. Oh Srimannarayana, you are the one, when you were as Parasurama, with the help of Guru Padesam, your anger was suppressed. You have suppressed your anger. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Krodhaghne Namaha. Om Krodhaghne Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.